Most men think a woman regrets losing them when she sees them with someone else. That's not true. She regrets losing you the moment you become unreachable. Not because you block her. Not because you ignore her. But because you've changed silently. The version of you she once controlled no longer exists. And that realization hits harder than any revenge ever could. There are 5 signs that show you've reached that level of stoic detachment, and each one makes her regret losing you a little more. You stop reacting to her presence. You used to flinch when she entered the room. Now you stay calm, still, centered. You don't avoid her. You simply don't orbit around her anymore. That's the moment she notices. Because women don't crave attention. They crave the power to affect you. And when that power is gone, they start to panic. You no longer explain yourself before. You would justify your words, your choices, your silence. Now, when she questions you, you just say, "That's how it is." No anger. No defense. Just truth. That calm certainty shakes her, because she used to own your emotions, and now she's talking to a wall she can't move. That's when regret begins to grow. You stop trying to prove your worth. You used to compete for her validation. Now you've built your own. Your energy goes to your work, your body, your mission. You're no longer performing for her eyes. You're building for yourself. And that shift is magnetic. She sees you glowing in silence and realizes she wasn't your purpose. She was just a distraction. You become peaceful instead of bitter. Most men try to make her jealous. You don't. You simply live. You smile again. You look rested, focused, light. And that peace cuts deeper than anger ever could. Because nothing confuses a woman more than a man she hurt, who doesn't hate her. You stop waiting for closure. You don't text, you don't scroll, you don't wonder. You've closed the book without needing an ending. And that's when she starts to reread every chapter in her mind, trying to understand how you let go so easily. That's regret, pure and simple. When you reach this point, something powerful happens. You stop chasing what left, and what left starts to chase you. Not because you wanted her back, but because she finally felt what you once felt: absence. She regrets losing you not when you move on to someone else, but when you move on to yourself. That's the moment she realizes she can't touch you anymore. If you found strength in these words, subscribe to Stoic Brotherhood and become the man she remembers forever.